Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video with us Rainbow Stuff and a new lesson with me. I'm Nadine. Now look at these pictures. Who looks the most stressed? Do you think the girl in our car or the girl that has a lot of books? Or the girl in the office that has a lot of files? Tell us in the comment below. Now, have you been in similar situations? Also, please tell us in the comment below. In today's video, we are going to show you some techniques that can help you to cope with your stress. So, watch us till the end and let's see together how can we coping with stress. Now we will see together the vocabulary words or the main vocabs for today's video. Coping with stress vocabs. The first word is interval. An unnerving time or space. For example, the intervals between meals were very short, and when we say interval, we mean فاصل, فترة واستراحة, like a break. Concentrate. Focus one's attention or mental effort on particular object or activity. For example, she couldn't concentrate on the movie. And when we say concentrate, we mean تركيز. And the main word for today's video is to cope. Cope, deal effectively with something difficult. For example, it all got too much for me and I couldn't cope. And cope means التأقلم. Strenuous. Strenuous, requiring or using great exertion. For example, all your muscles need more oxygen during the strenuous exercise. And the word strenuous means شاق, متعب, مرهق. Now, before we continue our video, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Rainbow Stuff, and click like, share, and the bell ring, please. So, let's continue. Now, we have some situations that can be stressful one. These can be stressful situations. Now, we have to rank them from the most stressful to least stressful. We have shopping for gifts, preparing for exams, and the last one, meeting new people. And for me, I would say preparing for exams. Can you please tell us about your opinion in the comments below? Also, we will rank them from most stressful to least stressful. Trying to save money, speaking in front of a group, starting a new job. And for me, let's say starting a new job. Now tell us about your opinion also in the comments below. Let's say together the most stressful to least stressful. Being stuck in a traffic, speaking English, dealing with family problems. I would say for me the most dealing with family problems and the least being stuck in traffic. Let's think about the questions below together. The first one is, do you find it hard to make decisions? If you find it hard or you keep think all the time about making decisions, then it will be stressful for you. Do you find it difficult to relax because you are keep thinking about something or how you can do something? Then you are stressed. Do you feel guilty when you are not busy? Now, if you don't have anything to do and you keep thinking on the things that you have to do, then you are a stressful person. Do you find it difficult to concentrate on one thing at a time? because you are thinking about a lot of things? Do you find it difficult to fall asleep at night because your mind is working and thinking about a lot of topics that happened in your life? Please tell us and answer the questions in the comments below because we would love to know your answers. Do you spend too much time in studying? If you do, please tell us in the comments. Remember, be encouraging, be yourself, be active. And now, the most important thing in our videos, techniques for reducing stress. Go jogging, cycling, or swimming every day. It will help you to reduce your stress. Close your eyes and relax for a couple of minutes every hour. It will help a lot. Take a class in yoga or relaxation techniques. Don't take more than one thing at a time. So you have only to focus in one thing in your hand. Don't confuse yourself with more than one thing. Stretch at regular intervals throughout the day. Breathe deeply when you feel yourself getting upset. And trust me, it will help you a lot. Just take a deep breath. Now, have you ever tried these ideas before? Which one do you think are the best? What other stress-reducing techniques have you tried and we haven't mentioned in the video? And we would love to hear from you what is the best. And if you have any other idea to reduce the stress. So please tell us in the comments. Now we have some related words that can be useful. For example, original idea, brilliant idea, unuseful idea, great idea, excellent idea. So we are focusing on the word idea with different other words. Original, brilliant, unusual, great, and excellent idea. Related words can be useful. Shot a film, edit a film, direct a film, star in a film, review a film. So we are focusing on a film with different words. Now we finish our lesson for today and we finish our English Let's Talk sessions. We will meet you again with a new English session and new videos. And don't forget to like, share, and click that ring button. And see you next time with the new videos and new lessons with me. I'm Nadine. Thank you so much.